Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a full face of drugstore makeup. Everything that you see is cruelty free and some of them are also vegan friendly products. So these are like your affordable, your cheap and cheerful, but some of my go-to makeup favourite products ever. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, please keep watching. Firstly is primer, and I'm using the Kombucha Spritz makeup primer. This is a mattifying, glowy, radiant, smoothing primer, and it has a tacky texture, so my foundation is going to have a really good tacky smooth base. And for foundation, I'm using the Super Serum foundation with hyaluronic acid. I absolutely adore this foundation. Absolutely adore it. It gives me a really glowy satin finish, and you can build it up. It is a medium coverage. You can build it up, sheer it out. It's absolutely flawless. Next is concealer, and I'm using the Super Fixx concealer by Revolution. Love this concealer. It's so radiant. I love it just to conceal the under eyes and all the dark areas, but I love to use it as like a brightening, highlighting effect as well. As you can see, I am just going in all of the places that I want to bring some highlight to my face. Yes. Next is this XX cream bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's my favorite cream bronzer. It's the only cream bronzer I use, and as you can see, I'm just putting it in the hollows of my cheeks, my nose, my eye sockets and my temples to give me some definition and colour. And for blush, it's the Putty Blush from Elf. Love this blush so much. It just gives me a really nice subtle colour. It looks natural and you can build it up for like an 80s look, a sun-kissed look, a flush of colour. It's super cute. And to set my T-zone, I'm going in with a lace setting powder. It's the only setting powder I use, quite frankly, because I absolutely love it. It gives me a bit of coverage, a bit of colour, keeps me matte, stops the oils breaking through. And for highlight, I'm using the Elf Bite Size Highlight. Oh, I love this highlight. And with a spray, it can illuminate even more. You will see me from miles away with this highlighter. And when I say you will see me for miles and miles and miles, I really mean it with this Fix and Glow spray from Revolution. This is the dupe for the iconic London glowy setting spray. And believe me when I say this, it smells amazing. But to move on to the eyes very quickly, I'm using the Wildlife palette by Barry M. I love the Wildlife palettes. I love the charities that they are helping out. And I had to get the bumblebees because we've got to save the bumblebees. But the eyes, I'm going in with this matte orange eyeshadow pigment, and it's just beautiful. Blends out, very pigmented. It's super soft. It's cute. It's opaque. It's everything you want from an eyeshadow. There is a bit of fallout. I'm not going to lie to you. There is a bit of fallout, but it's just a super beautiful, vibrant orange. Oh, it's a dream. And I'm just going to buff that out with one of the softer nudes from the palette, just to buff it out to soften that line a bit, because we're looking a bit harsh. Like in, I don't know really, like I've been hit in the face with an orange. But now I'm going to just line my lash line with the more burnt toasted terracotta red shade, and I'm just going to line my entire eye just to give a bit of definition, a bit of depth, a bit of smokiness to this look. The eyeshadows in this palette are super, super vibrant. They're very pigmented and they are super easy to blend out. This is a really cute, affordable eyeshadow palette, and because of the colours, they're so easy to wear. They're very everyday, very nighttime, very spring. I just feel like this palette can do no wrong. You can use this palette for pretty much any kind of occasion. And it's affordable. It's cruelty free. I mean, hello. Why not? Hitting all of the shimmer shades in this palette, I am just going to literally drown my eyeball in shimmer. Just for like a wash of shimmery, beautiful goldenness. Excuse the add-on wrapping, couldn't get it off, but I'm using the Wet n Wild Khol black liner just to tight line and waterline this look to give me some depth, some smokiness. Time for lashes. I'm going to use this long lash lengthening mascara because I have the world's worst lash line, and I'm just going to coat my lashes before putting on some falsies from Unicorn Cosmetics. Their faux mink eyelash collection is just everything, and with the power of editing, boom, they are on. Time to overdraw these lips, and I'm using a lip liner from Makeup Revolution, and this can also be used as an eyeliner. Dual purpose, multi-purpose, love that. Creamy, pigmented, beautiful. And for my lip colour, I'm going in with the Powder Puffs from NYX for a little bit of a ombre effect. And this is the finished look. Everything will be listed down below for you guys as always, as well as my Instagram if you want to give us a follow on there as well. If you like this video, then click thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, share, dislike, do whatever you like with this video. It's much appreciated. Any support is stupidly appreciated. So if you like this video and you want to see more of my face, then let me know down below what you would like to see, and I will see you in the next one.